Alright, y'all. It's like 11:05 right now in the morning. Wow, I can't get this open, bro. Hold on. Embarrassing. Alright. Whoever's gonna edit this, me, cut that off. We don't want people to see me struggling opening a bottle of Nesquik Quest protein shake. Alright, y'all. As you guys read from the title, this video is about the new. Am I recording, yo? I'm recording this by myself and have a weird feeling I'm not recording right now. Alright, I'm gonna record it. I'm cool. Alright. So it's my new a laptop I got a week ago, and I've been testing it out and see how it does and everything. And today we're gonna be talking about the specs. Tell y'all if y'all. Alright, y'all. So this is me editing this video, and I'm deeply sorry for the light behind me. That was my window. I don't know why having my back faced the window, but that was the worst. That was like stupid decision I made. But I'm deeply sorry for this. I can't change it now because like I don't know why I did this. But back to the video, bro. This as if you're creative, a student in college, and all of that stuff. Specs of the laptop. So first of all, I got everything written down just in case I forget anything. The brand is called Aoc. I never heard of it, not gonna lie. I heard of it when I was searching up what laptop I should get and like the price range and everything. And the models, it's an Aoc 15, and it claims it's a 2025 laptop. So it was like, well, it was released in 2025, probably at the beginning of the year. It claims. I looked everywhere else, I couldn't find nobody talking about it, and I thought I was gonna get scammed. Not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna get scammed, and until this point I still think I got scammed, but it's all right. The RAM is a 16. That's pretty good, not gonna lie. If you're looking for a laptop and you like do a lot of video works and photo works, you need to get like a 16 to like 32 512 gigabytes of SSD, and that is good. You should get to a 1 terabyte because it's gonna save you a lot of storage on your device. But I'm not gonna lie, I hate editing on my laptop. That's why I get an external hard drive or SSD.
Please charge.
And this is the one that I have.
Please charge. Power off.
And this is the one that I have. It's the YOTUO. I don't know how you pronounce that. I think it was like what, $70-some. It's not the best, not gonna lie. I wouldn't recommend it, but I needed something really quick so I can pull my files and start editing. A external hard drive, so it got mechanicals, like machines running in it. But like on this SSD drive, that it doesn't have nothing. And I would recommend this just in case like your laptop corrupts and you save all your videos and your photos and whatever to your laptop and it corrupts, you lost them. I did that mistake once and I'm not gonna relive it again, bro. That's why I got this. Even though it's cheap, even though it's not the best, I still know my stuff all on here. And even though it corrupts, I can just go somewhere and they will fix it and I can get my stuff back. The color of the laptop that I got was in gray. It's in gray and it's a 15.6-inch laptop. It's big, not gonna lie. It doesn't even fit in my camera bag because of how big it is. That's all of the specs on the laptop. Alright, let's talk about the laptop performance and everything. As I said, I've been having it for 1 week now. I can comfortably talk about it and tell you guys if it's good or not. As me, I work a lot in Premiere Pro and Lightroom and Photoshop. Those are like the main three softwares that I use most daily on this laptop, and they perform well. I can open Lightroom and Photoshop at the same time and I won't have any issues. I mean, I will see like it will like glitch a little bit. It will stop responding for like a couple of seconds, but then we'll come back. I don't really have a problem with that, but it could be a deal breaker for somebody who's looking into buying this laptop. When I am working in Premiere Pro, I will just have my File Explorer on, Google Chrome on, and I just have 3 apps open and it does perfectly fine. It doesn't glitch or anything, and I'm telling you, it's smooth. And I didn't talk about the price. I got this for $700, but it was on sale though. But usually it goes for $1,300, I believe. That's where I was like, it goes for $1,000. Why would they release it down to $700? $700. So that got me thinking for a second. I thought I was gonna get scammed. I really don't game. I play here and there Roblox. That's all. When I'm playing Roblox, and Roblox is a very powerful little game. You know what I mean? So it would take a lot of juice. So like leave my laptop unplugged into the charger. It would take a lot of juice from the laptop. That's one thing I have noticed when you game on it. One thing that I don't like about this laptop is the buttons at the top, like the volume up or volume down or brightness up or brightness down or whatever they call them. Those buttons don't work. They don't work on my laptop. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just this specific laptop that I got or all of the laptops out there, they don't work for this brand. So the first time I did that, I was scared for my life. I was like, yep, I got scammed. I need my money back and everything. I mean, that's the only thing that doesn't work on the laptop, but everything else works. Power off button works. The speakers on this laptop, they're not the best, not gonna lie to you. Here is a sound test. The screen is very like, when you touch on it, it will leave a handprint. You can see the handprint on there. The fans on this laptop are not the best at all, bro. I don't know why, but they're just too loud. Like I'm telling you, it can be in the nighttime and like I'm just working, I'm trying to be quiet and stuff, but you can hear the fans. Like it will turn on for like a couple of minutes and then it will turn off and then it will come back on like very loud. The first time I got this laptop, I heard the fans. I was like, yeah, this is gonna be a problem. I mean, I did it because I'm over here working in After Effects and Premiere Pro at the same time. And like, yes, the fans are gonna be very loud and stuff.